Hello friend, today we learn about the group function. Here I have a list of payments and here I have another list of payments. If I want to do it for one group, I will mark all I want and then I going to data, and after this I press on group button. Now if you see, I have a minus, and if I press on this it will be a plus, but only I have the sum without the list. Let's do one more. I remark what I want and then I press on data and then I press on the group button. If you see, I have a little table with only the sum. Now if I regret and I want another something, I take the plus and I remark, and then I have ungroup option. So I press on ungroup, and if you see, now I have only group, not a group, like this. So let's do it one more again. To group, and now I have a little table. So let's do a summary. First all, I take all I want to group and then I press on data, and after this I press on the group button. But if I regret or something, I press on ungroup button. Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day.